Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the newest feature on CapCut and how you can adjust the animation styles on text. So if in case you didn't know, now you can adjust the animations, the text animations, whether you want to apply it by sentence or by word. So here's how to use the feature. So I've already opened my project with captions on it. You can see there are captions that I added to the video, and I'm going to just click on the tags and go to animation. So in here I've already add fade in animations to my tags. So when you click on the animations, so here when you click on the animation, there will be options to adjust. You can see adjust more, so you can just click on that, and here there will be two options of animation style. You can use by sentence or by word, but please be noted, if you choose the by word option, this is a pro feature, so you need to make sure that you've already subscribed to the CapCut Pro to use this feature. So I'm going to show you, this is the by sentence, so it's by default because it's free, and this is the by word. You can see now the text has fade in animation by word by word, like that. It's different from the last one and also the previous one. Okay, so that's the newest feature on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.